Here I'll be giving you the accurate hit point selection to inspect our location intelligence. So now let's pick up this orange place here, pulsating. Let's pick up this very region. This side here, okay? So let's tap it and see the info there. Now this orange part is, look to my right, this Kano Northern Expansion. The priority score over there is 84 and the population is, for that primary place, that's 4.1 million and the housing deficit around there is 720,000 and the land available is 47%. That's historic cost situation, northern rings suited for planning mass housing. All right, and let me give you a brief. Cherry GeoSpatial AI is a subsidiary of Homes of Cherry. So this is our personal, software we created for partnering the PPP, trying to build mass houses all over Nigeria, because we have a lot of over 25 to 30 million of housing deficit here in Nigeria. So we developed this software to work hand in hand with our big projects. Now over to the yellow, which is the Kaduna Industrial Fringe. The priority score is 68 and the population over there is 1.1 million. The housing deficit is 260,000 and the land available for us to do whatever we want to do in mass housing and urban development is 72%. The industrial workforce housing gap with ample allocation ready land. And here is the third orange, which is Abuja Peri-Urban Belt. The priority score over there is 88. The population is 3.8 million and the housing deficit is 640,000. The land available over there is 58%. That's rapid civil servant inflow, large serviceable greenfield land to the southwest. Let's move to this yellow. That's the Ibadan Ring Road. That's in Oyo State here in Nigeria. That's the priority score is 71. The population is 3.6 million. Housing deficit is 430,000. And the land available is 66%. That's moderate deficit. Strong land availability for phased development. Let me move over to the right. Just touching the yellow. Now that's Lagos Mainland Corridor in Lagos State, Nigeria. The priority score is 96. The population is 15,400,000. The housing deficit over there is 2.9 million. The land available is 12%. That's extreme density with severe informal settlement growth along the Lagoon Corridor. I move to the orange to my left. I'll know that I'm done with the left region. Now, this is the Accra Greater Corridor, which is priority score 82, and the population is 2.6 million. The housing deficit over there is 570,000, and the land available is 41%. Coastal expansion pressure with rising cross-border investors' interest. All right, so that's if you're an investor as well. Now, this Enugu Coal City Hills, Enugu in Nigeria, the southeast region. So here's the priority score of Enugu Coal City is 52. Population is 820,000. Housing deficit over there is 140,000. Land available is 61%. Stable demand, hillside constraint require careful site selection. All right, so the red one, which is Port Harcourt Waterfront, that's in Rivers. Priority score over there is 91, very high. Population 3.2 million, housing deficit 810,000, land available is 19%, and the area is flood-prone waterfront demands, elevated resilient housing schemes. So maybe we'll have to do a lot of thick, foundational basement and all that. So now the green one, which is the Kigali Growth Ring in Rwanda. The priority score is 49. Quite low, Population where there is 1.2 million and the housing deficit is 110,000. Land available 78%. Well-planned expansion, low urgency but high investor confidence. And the last one here, Nairobi Eastlands in Kenya. Priority score is 86, very high. Population is 4.7 million. Housing deficit is 900,000 and the land available is 33%. Affordable housing agenda, hotspot, a strong government partnership demand. I think that'll be all for now. I just explained the heat maps. I think the other ones I don't need to restate them because I've explained them already in the recent video. Thank you for watching. Bye.